Hey guys, JD here with the Kawasaki Ultra 310, and today I'm going to show you what to do if your watertight compartment cover breaks. Alright, so I was out and this was really my fault. There was too much stuff in the compartment and there was a wire sticking out for the charger, and I was out in the ocean and I was trying to slam it shut and one of the tabs down here cracked off of it. My fault. But anyway, here's the new cover. It's made in USA. You can see it's part number 14093-1165. And that cover will cost you $10.89 for the cover, another $8 for the seal, which is part number 92093-0760. So it'll cost you about $20 plus tax and shipping to replace this cover if you break it like I did. So here's the new cover. It was actually packaged pretty well, and one of these tabs here is what broke on mine. Don't think you're going to be so smart scoring this cover on eBay by itself, because it doesn't come with the seal. Maybe if you buy a used one, it would. So when you buy this new, you got to buy the cover, and then you have to buy the seal separately, which comes like this, pre-cut and ready to go. This seal is literally just going to go in to the cover just like that. All right, so once you get that seal in place, this is really easy to install. What you're going to do is put this end in first, and then you're just going to bend the cover ever so easily. And there you go. You can feel how that snaps into place. It's got a pretty tight seal. And then, of course, make sure to check your seal around the door as well. I just replaced these seals on mine, so make sure you look at that video if your seals appear to be rusted or they are leaking. All right, thank you for watching, only on JD's Water World.
If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more exclusive jet ski content, only on JD's Water World.